Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to learn pandas data frame attributes and methods in step by step. Okay, so in previous videos, we learned panda series and now we will move to data frame, which is second one. Data frame is so which is most important structure in pandas. Okay, did you understand? Okay. So almost 90% of real world data analysis is done using data frame only. Okay. So we will I will recap the pandas data frame. Okay. A data frame is a two-dimensional table in pandas. It look like an Excel sheets or SQLs. So it contains like rows, columns, data. Rows means index, columns means column names, and data means values. Okay, if you take the example student data, employee data, sales data, like etc. So these are the examples of the data frame. It contains rows and columns and data. Okay, so now open the Google Colab. So open the Google Colab. Okay, so I already previously discussed it, what is data frame and my views and where views. So now I will use totally now real world example I will tell. Okay, how it will be happening. Just open the Google, type here Google Colab. First one, click it. Now we will see the data frame attributes and data frame methods. Okay, one by one. So take new notebook. Just to connect here, left, right side, bottom. Just to type import pandas as PD. So just to rename the file name as what is today class? Pandas data frame. Okay, so now before going to learn attributes and methods, so now let's create say one data frame by using the Python dictionary. So I will tell Python dictionary how to create later. So now we will use the Python dictionary how to create. So we have to import the pandas library. Okay, so import pandas as PD. Okay, did you understand? Okay. So take a variable any name. I am taking here data. Okay. So just type your name and colon and create a random names. Okay, what you like your names. Okay, if you want to write you can write Mahesh Babu, anything you can write. If you want to write you can write it. Okay, which want your names like you can write it. Okay, or Allu Arjun, Bunny Star, any name. Okay, like Teja, Sai Teja, you know Sai Teja hero. Yeah, any name you can take, Ra, no problem. Okay, So randomly create a data frame. You take any names. After and you write some salary also, how much getting the salary and age also. Randomly you pick it, okay? No problem. Afterwards, just you print. Just you print data. It will print it. So now this is with a Python dictionary. I have created it. Just I have written the key and pair values. Okay. Now I am converting into data frame. Okay. So any variable you take df. Now just print it. It will come in data frame. Okay. PD is not defined. Oh, what happened? Okay. Now okay. I did not run this one pandas importing pandas library. Now just error. So this is the data frame rows and columns. Okay. Now we will do the some of the attributes. So what are attributes? Attributes are properties of a data frame. Okay. So they're given information about data frame. Okay. So now we will do the some operations of data frame. Okay. This data about data. Now we have to do the data frame attributes. Okay. So just to take the text and data frame attributes. Okay. So in that first one attribute already we learn in the series attributes only. Okay. What it is? Index. Okay. So one by one I will go. Okay. Yeah. Where I take in this data only I will go. Okay. So what it is? Just df dot index. See, 0, start is 0, stop is 5 and step is 1. So about data only, this data only, I have done the first one in that data from attribute index. Okay. So now we will see the second one. What is second one? Array, already we discussed in the series attributes. Just to tell me names here, columns. Okay. What it is? df dot columns. Okay. So just here spelling mistake. Okay. Yeah, see, what are the columns? Name, age, salary. So I have printed only three variables now here. Name, age, salary. Only three columns only. So columns will be printed here. Okay. So what is next one? Values. Okay. So df dot values. Simple. See, inside the values, it will come. Okay. What are the inside the values? Like I have printed now, like Sai, Kiran, Nani, Bunny, Allergen, Bunny, and Teja. And what is the age also, and what is the salary. So inside the values only it will be print, not index and not rows, columns. Only values will be printed here. Okay. Did you understand? Already we study in the series attributes. How you forgot? See, again we will see next one. What is next one? You tell me. What you have to study, no? Just shape So df dot shape. What is shape? 5 comma 3 rows and columns. Did you understand? 5 means your rows. 3 means columns. 3 columns I have. Name, age, salary. and 5 means values. Yeah. Okay. So did you understand? Okay. Now we will see the next concept. Next one is size. Okay. Very easy. Size means your shape is there no above 5 into 3. How much? That only answer. See, amazing. Zing zing. See, 15. 5 3 is how much? 15. That is a shape. Okay. Did you understand? With logically we have to implement. Otherwise you will not understand. Okay. This is the size. It is very easy. If you know shape, automatically you will know size. 100% I will guarantee. Okay. So this is size. This is shape and size. Already discussed in detail in the previous class in the size attribute. Okay. That only I am doing now here only. Same concepts. Okay. What is next one? Your next one is most favorite thing. Right? If you forgot, you are worst fellow only. Okay. N dimension. See, 2D dimension it is. How much it is? Okay. So now we'll see the another one. It is also very easy. Okay. So what it is? Dtype. So df dot dtype. See, name is in the object form, age is a integer format, and salary is a integer format. Okay. So now we will see the next one is empty. Okay. So df dot empty. So there is a no object is in the null values. The site will be false. That means I have created a data frame now. So in this data frame there is no null values here. See, there is no null values. So that's why it is a empty only. If you have null values, it will be true. Okay. So these are the now data frame attributes. Now we will see the data frame attributes, data frame methods. Okay. So already we discussed the data frame methods in previous class. So same methods will be happening here also. Okay. So we will be creating one data frame. Okay. So like if you take any variable, you can take any variable like s is equals to pd dot data frame. You take anything, no problem. Like name equal to, okay. Some randomly you take some names, okay. I am taking some like alphabet names only, okay. So you take some randomly names. And afterwards you take marks here. Some randomly like 20, like 30, 40, 50, and 60. So how many are there here? 6 are there. So how many are there here? So just you give one more thing. I mean, it will be same. We have to be same. Okay. Just to print here. Yes. See, this is a data frame. Okay. So now we will see the methods. Okay. So here df dot first one is what? Head. Okay. Okay, just a minute. So here we have to write here S now. I have created one more now. So S, say only first 5 columns will be printing here. So your fifth row is not printed. Why means 0 index up to fourth index it will print. Head means if you want to take here S dot tail, okay. So I forgot the heading also. Okay, just a minute. So this is what head. Okay, this is head. And next one is what we have to go tail. Okay, so what is tail? Tail is nothing but S dot tail of bottom 5 will be it will come. Okay, from bottom. Okay, so this is head and tail. Now we will go to the next one. Most important thing is info. You know info? Info is nothing but information of the data set. Okay, info S dot info of. See, it will be give the what is a class and what is a range index and data columns also, and how many columns are there here representing and not null, and there is no null. So that's why. So I count and dtype and your data type also, and what is the memory usage also. So how much memory usage will be. This is the about total entire data set information it will be given by default method. Just info of. Okay, how much this beautiful. See how much beautiful answer came. Okay, so now next one is another one is I'm creating another data frame for the describe of. That means it will be basically using mathematics. Okay, so just another data frame only. PD dot data frame. Directly you can give like this also. Okay, so just here you give like some subject mass. Okay, just here I like 20, 30, 40, 50 and 60. Okay, next you take another one, another subject, like you take science only. Okay, so how much, like 40, 50, 60, 70 and 80. Okay, just you print here. Okay, print of DES. See, math and science data frame I created here. Total numerical columns only now. So now we have to do the describe here. So what is here describe DES dot describe of. If it give, it will be giving the answer. See, just by using one method, it will give totally. See, count, mean, STD means standard deviation. As previous in NumPy class, I have told what is standard deviation and minimum and 25 percentile and 50 percentile, 75 percentile and maximum numbers. See how much beautiful. If you have any like billions of millions or any data, how much data are there also, by using the describe function method in DataFrame, it will become total entire data for only numerical data only. Okay, so this is most important in the while using the machine learning or EDA, exploited data analysis. Most important thing. Okay, now we will see the another one. Okay, what is another one? Now I am creating a one data frame. Okay, data also numerical only. So just I am taking a previous data only. Just a minute. I am taking previous data. Okay. I am changing here some values. Okay. I am only changing here some values. Okay. Just to, you can also change some values. Okay. Just by using, I will variable name, I will just here d, when I previously have given de is no. So that's why I'm keeping a variable. I'm printing sales and profit. Okay. Now we will do the sum or the method. By using by default describe, automatically it will become minimum, maximum, like count. Okay. Now we will do the by manually one by one. Okay. Now here d dot mean. See, for the sales 30 and profit 500. Okay. Now d dot sum. Okay. So for sales 90 and when profit 1500. Okay. So d dot minimum. So in the data frame, when I created for the data frame only, it was giving the answer what is the minimum and what is the max and what is the sum it was giving. Okay. Next d dot what I'm just a max. Max is there. Max is there. See max in the data frame only. Okay. Next what is next one? Date of count. Okay. So like sales, how many are there? Three only. Profit, how many are there? Like three only. I have written only three only. That's why that is a count. Okay. Now these are the minimum, maximum, sum, mean, and count by using manually. By using describe method, it will come all things. Okay. It is manually. Now I will create one more data set. Yeah, one more data set. It is for the another special one. It is okay. So like a equal to, you take any variable. So pd dot data frame. Oh, spelling mistake. Okay, no problem. So data frame here we have to write. You take any one. Okay, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, okay. Just a minute. Quotes are there. I am removing. Okay, just colon. Okay. So next comma entry. Next b equal to b colon. Randomly you take names. Some. Okay. Just a minute. I will take here 3 values. I will take here 3 values. Okay. It will be like a very nice now to looking also. Okay. Previous class what I discussed, same here it will be repetition only. By using data frame we have to create it. Okay. Very easy. If you study it will be very easy. Otherwise it will be hard only. Okay. This is now print 28. See. Okay. So now I will remove B column entirely. Okay. So how we remove? By using the, what is the here? By using the drop. Okay. So now a dot drop of which column you want you can take, comma, and x equal to 1. Here x equal to 1 nothing means column will be removed. Okay, just here see B column totally removed here. So that is okay. Did you understand? It is very easy, Ra. Okay. So now I will take another data frame. Just a minute. I will take this data frame. Where it is? I will take this data frame. Okay, and I will change here name, and here also I will put like 3 only. And for your easy understanding, I am telling. Okay. And we take bunny also. Okay. Especially you have to change the variable also. Okay. Randomly you pick s means you take like sunny. Okay. Yeah. So this is now data frame. So I want to rename. So how to rename? Rename is a one method. Okay. So by using rename about data frame, this is the data frame. Now I will rename. So how? S dot rename. We have to give here which column. Okay. Column equal to which column you have to give? Name. Okay. Now I want to change here not name. We can take this science. SCIENC science. So in science of I will keep here age. Okay. Just enter. See. Just column name it will be changed. Okay. So s dot rename. We have to change the column name. Okay. Okay. Now we will see the another one. Okay. So what is another one? We have to create a one data frame. Okay, another data frame. Like if you take any one like w equal to query dot data frame. Okay, so this is okay. Now I will write here index equal to 2:0 comma and 1. Okay, just print it here. Okay, so what is it one? It is the concept of index. Okay, now we will see the next concept. Sort values. So what it is? This is sort index. Okay, so much easier. If you learn, it will be easy. So just you w equal w dot Now we will see two things here. Okay, two things here. In this data frame, I will tell two things. What is sort index and what is sort values. First of all, I will tell sort values. Okay, sort values. Here it is a parameter. Okay, see, it will come in ascending order. Sort values means so here. Okay, now here index is like 201. No, I want sort it. So how it is w dot sort index. Okay, see, it will coming in the index column in ascending order 0, 1, 2. Okay, so previously we discussed here sort values like 40, 50, 60. It will become. Okay, now we will create the another data frame. Okay, so same data frame I am taking here. It means to why means to cover the concepts. So many concepts are there, no, in the data frame methods. So that's why. Okay, so I am taking here, no. So just I am returning in the some of the values here, like already previously we did discuss none, no. So that's why I am writing here. Okay. So now, so here I have null values and here also like none, no, none. Yeah. Now we will write here. How you will be print here? How to you will print here null values by using isnull or notnull. These two things are both are same only. Okay. So now we will discuss about data frame. I am discussing now. Okay. So what will be used here? W dot isnull. Whenever null values is here, it will be true, or otherwise it will be false. Remaining are false. Okay. So this is a thing. Okay. Now we will see the another one. So same data frame I am taking here, copying. When so many methods are there now here in this concepts. So I will write here name and some. Okay, so I will change like here age. Okay, now it will be correct. Okay, now I will write here. So previously we discussed now, as we have here none now, I will put here same none only. Okay, that means we have here one more concept is there here. What it is? Tell me. Tell me ra. Why ra? We have to came here, fill in a here. Forgot ara. That's why we have to read ra. Fill in and drop in a we will discuss now. For the I have created previous data, now just now created now. So how you will be w dot fill in place of 0. See, it will be 0 0 only. Okay. W dot now drop in. Where you have null values, it will be drop. Okay. What happened? Spelling mistake, ara? Okay. See, where you have null values, it will be directly went gone. only one will be printing here. Okay, this is the fillna and dropna. Okay, so now I will take the your data frame and will create another data frame. For your understanding, I am doing a simple way to understand. Okay, we have to practice a lot of things. Okay, for the big data sets, not small data sets. Okay, so I will change here some of the things. Okay, here write department and like I will take here IT and CSE and ECE and what is one more thing like automobile. Okay, so these are now it will be take like a salary. Okay, we can take 400, 500, 600, comma 700. Okay, so this is now you have to be here group by is most important here. So now how we have to department and salary group by and main it. Okay, how means w dot group by what it is here department. Okay, dot main of wait a second, some mistake will be given here. Okay, now it will be given in the answer. Okay, why means I did not give you a duplicate now, so just a minute. Okay, I will give IT same here and here it will be like a 800. Now it will be correct. Why means we are given IT and IT. Okay, do you understand? Okay, okay, so this is a group by. Okay, now I will take the another data frame, like small data frame I will take. Like we have now you have to take the two data frame. Okay, so just a minute. Now we have to take the two data frame. Okay, we have to take some emp id. Okay, this employee id. Okay, what is employee id here? Randomly you take like 1 comma 2 comma 3. Okay, and what you take the names here. Okay, what is names like just you take like Sai and one more thing Kiran and Bunny. Okay, so what happened here? Okay, okay, only 3 are there, no? Hmm. Here inverted comma. Now it will become. Okay, and Okay, so this is the w1 I am taking in. Okay, and next I am taking another similar data set here, similar data frame. I will take here salary. Okay, like salary equal to salary colon 2000 and 3000 and 4000. So just to print it, it will come 2 here. So now you have to be merge it. Okay, so how you merge here? So what is merge concept? Okay, so now how you merge? Cd dot merge of w1 comma w2 comma here you have to write the w1 comma w2 comma, here we have to give the parameter on equal to emp id. Okay, what here? Name error. Okay, just to here dot, it will come the answer. W2 is not defined. Okay. Okay, now it will become answer. Okay, so now it is merging. This is a merge concept. Okay, so what is another concept? You have join. Okay, so what is next one here? Join concept. Okay, now you are also creating a one data frame. Okay, how to join? Like L equal to L means like left only, pd dot data frame. Okay, so just write here name colon and just to write here some random names. Okay, and b, you have to give here index equal to 1 comma 2. Okay, I am copying this one only. So same this printed, and you have to write here any variable like a equal to, okay, you take here marks. Okay, some randomly marks. Okay, like 40 and 50, just to print. So now I am just here joining. Okay, what is here? L dot join of a, it will be print here. Okay, this is the answer of the join. Okay, next same you take the data frame here. Okay, so just here change one thing here is don't write here index. Okay, okay, so write here simple like names. Okay, I means you're confusing, no? So what is here next topic? Here what is here next topic means concat. Okay, here also you take like some numbers. Okay, 1 comma 2. Now it will be okay. Now you have to be concat pd dot concat of what here L comma A. Okay. Okay, just a minute. This is not one. L. Now it came. I have written there one. So just now I written there L. Okay. So this is the concat. Okay. So now I will take a data frame. I will copying here. Okay. For the last concept. Okay. What it is? Apply of. Okay. So just here data frame you will copy. Only one data frame is enough here. So we will take here salary. Like 40,000. Okay. So just printer. Okay. It will come. Okay. So now you have to apply here. What is the function? Apply only. So now L dot apply. What is here thing? Salary. Okay. Dot apply. Now you have to write here some lambda function in Python. Okay. Colon. So x plus some like 40,000. Okay. Why means this will be not used very much. Okay. Just a minute. I will be rectified it. Okay. So just a minute. So this apply means it is in the like old. We will not apply. We will not use frequently. We will use frequently like head, tail, shape, size, and null values. So these are the most important thing. So in this is the most important thing. So yeah, I am doing now it. Okay. So just a minute. It was running. Okay. So when you are doing the some next upcoming like EDA concepts, you have to do the like some are the most important things are there. When you are going EDA, like null values is the most important thing, and another one is outliers is the most important. Okay, so I will explain in detail in the later class. In upcoming concepts, I will tell in later, like step by step. Okay, so just a minute. I am clearing that out. Okay. Okay. Just it is not maybe it will be older version I think. Okay. Just you can this just you can leave it. Okay. Just a minute. Uh, okay. Almost it finally came. Okay. So this is a apply function. Okay. So these are the things. Okay. So now I have discussed the data frame attributes and methods. Okay, so these are the most important thing. If you know these things only, we will go to next upcoming concepts. Okay, so this is my today class. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day. Like, subscribe, and share it. Okay, thank you.